In our last video, we read the story of the very hungry caterpillar. Now we're going to write about some of the things from the story. Knowing what our letters look like and sound like helps our writing. So let's have a look at these letters here. We have already covered them in phonics. Let's see if you can remember. Say their sounds with me. This one, what's this one? That's right, it's S. And this one, yeah, it is A. How about that one? Oh, that tricks us sometimes. What's that one? T. And this one, P. Good. And that one, E. And this one tricks us sometimes as well. What's that one? N. Well done. Now, here's a clue. These letters might help us in our writing today. Right, let's have a look at the first picture up here. Can you remember what this is? He ate it first in the story. That's right, it is the apple. Let's say that word together. Ready? Apple. And when we say it again, I want you to listen for what sound apple starts with. Ready? Apple. So what sound does it start with? Does it start with that sound? Is it S for apple? Or is it A for apple? Have some thinking time until you're grown up. Pause the video. What did you decide? Was it S or was it A? You're right. It was A. Apple. Well done. Now that we know what sound it starts with and what that sound looks like, we can have a go at writing it down. So get your pencil and we're going to do our pencil routine to help us pick our pencil up. Get your holding fingers to the bottom of the pencil. Pick it up, tip it back into your squishy bed. Give your pencil a pillow and tuck these fingers away. Rest your hand down and then we are nice and strong, ready to start. Now, A is a scared monkey letter, so it doesn't start up here at brave. It starts in the middle with scared. So watch how to write A and then you can have a go too. So start at scared, pull it around, along the ground, abracadabra, down, bump, flick. A for apple. Well done. Let's have a look at the next picture. What will be next? Oh yes, he ate it on, I think it was Tuesday. Can you remember what it is? That's right, it's a pear. Let's say the word pear together. Ready? Pear. Say it again. Listen for the sound it starts with. Pear. Let's see if we can find it. Is it that one? Or 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 that one? Oh, that's a lot of sounds this time. Which sound is it for? Pear. Have some thinking time. For pear, it is P. Let me see if I can find P. There it is. P. So I'm going to use my pencil again. Point it at my tummy. Get my holding fingers. Pick it up near the bottom. tip it back into bed, give it a pillow, tuck my fingers away and rest it down. A P is a scared monkey letter as well. Watch how it goes and then you can have a go at your own. Ready? It starts that scared monkey. Down into the pit, sees a spider, back up, and gives itself a hug. P, p, pear. Now I want you to try the other ones with your grown-up at home. Let's just remind ourselves what they are. You've got plum, strawberry, and sausage. See if you can find those sounds and write them down. Do some good listening.